this is Carl from KO Brewing. I have a video here of my brew day from this past weekend. First video here, thought it was time to share. I'm almost about 2 years in my journey of home brewing. I've been watching and learning from other brew tubers, and I thought it'd be time to post something on my own here and kind of show you what I've been doing. So anyhow here, after I get this intro done, brief outro done, everything else is going to be in chronological order after this point. I'm going to get this up here. I'm going to do a follow-up on the beer. Everything's going great at this moment. Yesterday, at exactly 48 hours in, gravity reading, I went from 170 to 120 with 10 psi pressure, so things just moving quick on that. I was a little bit concerned that the psi up to 10 might stifle my yeast, but not the issue. So I don't want to go too much into more detail. I'm going to make another video, tell you how this beer turned out. But yeah, I am frazzled here. I've been working 10-hour days the past 2 days and learning video editing software. I'm really excited and wanted to get this loaded for you today. I didn't want to put it off anymore. So once again, thanks for watching. I don't know about you, but I am about ready for homebrew here. All right, why drink this? Watch the video. Thanks for watching, folks. All right, we got a starter going here. Gearing up for a big brew day tomorrow. Have my temperature probe. I'm running the Inkbird on the back here. Then I have my heat mat. Then of course my freezer kicks in if need be. But it looks like everything's going well. I don't know if you can hear. I can actually hear my stir bar. I like to check usually after a few hours to make sure that's still running. We'll sneak a quick peek here, but I'm pretty sure everything is okay. Yep, certainly is. Put that back on. If you noticed here, I have my probe. I like to put a little duct tape with some insulation on the side. And that seems to work pretty well for me, so I don't have the heat actually kind of fight the freezer back and forth. Usually it kind of gets into a groove pretty well. At least that's what I'm hoping for. I got my fan here to kind of even out the temperature in here. So yeah, we got Imperial's A38 juice going for a hazy tomorrow. So yeah, should be off to a good start. All right, my serial killer mill here. First mill I got last year, entry level. It's worked pretty well. The efficiency is great. I've had a few things with the rollers getting a little bit finicky. I've actually been in the middle of milling and then had something kind of slip a little bit and had to adjust. I think I got it pretty good now. So overall, I've been pretty happy, entry level. Also, you gotta kind of watch here, this hopper is really kind of lightweight and it kind of just pops right out, so you gotta be real careful with that. But for an entry-level mill, works pretty well. I'm not really sure if it makes a difference, but I'm also potentially trying to save any enzymes possible. You know, the strike water is over 170, and my understanding is there's actually a good number of enzymes that get destroyed over 165. Honestly, don't know if it really makes a difference or not, but with a lot of oats and flaked wheat, I need all the enzymes I can get, so that's why I put the oats and the wheat in first. I actually strategically put some 6-row in at the bottom that will go in last. Like I said, I really don't know if it makes much of a difference, but like a lot of things in brewing, you just kind of do it anyway and hope that what you're doing is actually doing something beneficial. And if you notice, yes, I need a mash paddle. Invested all kinds of money and keezers and pure oxygen, nice pH meters, and I don't have a mash paddle. So, something to get. Alright, 152.2, a little lower than I was wanting. If you notice here I have plastic, the reason being is I was losing quite a bit of temperature with this mash tun. I got it used. I thought my threads were screwed up. I even put some water to check and water came right out, so I thought that was my problem. I went to a Home Depot forum and apparently that's just how the coolers are made. Oh, I'll show you here. So anyhow, the whole point is this bag right here, this is actually a turkey bag, a Reynolds full-size turkey bag. And I just put that over a top and it makes a seal. I only lose a degree or two now, and before I was even losing like 6 degrees. So it's my Home Depot hack. Alright, almost a 2-hour mash here, part by design and part because I had to wear out my dog at the dog park. I was wanting to get a good conversion on the oats and the wheat, simply because my understanding is they take a little bit longer to convert than your standard barley malt. We're going to get a temperature check here. Probably can't see it, but this is great. You know, I must have had some heat pockets below. I'm actually 153.1 here after 2 hours. When I checked my temp at Doan, I was in the 152 range, which means I had some heat pockets that came up. And of course, with my trick here at the turkey bag, everything was insulated. I hardly lose any heat anymore. Alright, nothing stuck here. Rice hulls seem to do the trick. Alright here, just getting a boil going. Hard to see, I'm just over 9, which is just where I wanted to be. New England IPA, so I'm just jacking the hops up, 8 ounces. And I try to get 6.5 gallons in my fermenter, so that's why I do such a big volume. Leave a little cold break too. Oh, there we go, hot break. Should be good. Got a mega pot here. 15 gallons, so better put this down just in case, but it should be good here. All right, rolling here, full boil. A few things I forgot to add. Did a bat sparge, didn't bother showing it, pretty boring. And the other reason I get a high volume I didn't mention is this pot's really wide. I get quite a bit of boil off, so much more. I used to have a kegel which had a pretty low, maybe a gallon and a quarter an hour. This mega pot has around 2 or so, so that's why I overshoot the water volume as well. All right, I'm gonna go weigh out some hops here. quarter at 10 minutes. And then with this, we're up to 8 ounces total here. Combo of Bravo, Citra, and Brew-1. I tried Brew-1, and that's really what I'm going for here. Kind of a newer hop from Yakima Valley. I really like it though. Kind of a pineapple, not like a tart pineapple, but you definitely pick up some of the notes, but great combo with Citra, or I think anything in that vein, really. My pump going, recirculating here. All right, got the hydro running here. Should only take about 6 minutes. That's how good these chillers are. All right, all cooled in about 6-7 minutes here. Let's see, how did I do? You can't see from this angle, but I'm just below 7 gallons, which is exactly what I want. All right, just about 64 here. Right what I'm shooting for. There we go. All right, full tank. Totally recommend getting rid of the disposables. I was burning through a single tank after about maybe 4 brews or so. The cost is about $90 for the tank, but it holds its value. And the tank fill is only $18, and it's going to last me for years. All right, got my active 2-liter starter here. I like to go big on the starters. Get a fast ferment going. Gently pour this in here. A little swirl. Smell those esters in there. Don't want to pour in the stir bar. Won't be the end of the world. It almost, almost did it. All right, time to ferment. All set. Thanks for watching. This is Carl from KO Brewing reminding you to keep on brewing. Cheers, folks. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.